You've done it tonight, you'll probably do it again tomorrow, and your brain is paying the price while you sleep. Most people think sleep is simple. You close your eyes, you rest, you wake up. But what actually happens inside your skull at night is one of the most extraordinary biological events in the human body. Your brain doesn't just rest while you sleep, it cleans itself. There is an entire internal system, discovered by scientists less than 15 years ago, dedicated entirely to flushing your brain while you sleep. They called it the glymphatic system. Think of it as your brain's overnight pressure wash. While your body is still, fluid moves through channels in the brain tissue, sweeping out toxic proteins, clearing the waste that builds up every single day just from thinking. This cleaning system is not optional. Your brain depends on it every night, without exception. But here is where it gets uncomfortable, because this system has a condition. It works hardest during deep sleep, not light sleep, not broken sleep, deep sleep, the kind most adults are no longer reaching. And there is one habit, one thing most people do every single evening that is quietly preventing them from ever getting there. It starts innocently enough. The day is done. You sit down, you reach for a screen, a show, a scroll, just one more episode, just a few more minutes. But your brain is watching, and the light coming from that screen, specifically the blue wavelength, is sending a very precise signal to your biology. It says it is still daytime. Do not release melatonin, stay alert. Keep going, and your brain listens every single time. What happens next is a chain reaction most people never see coming. Melatonin gets suppressed. Your core body temperature stays elevated when it should be dropping. Your heart rate refuses to slow. And when you finally do fall asleep, exhausted, you may lose some of the deep stages. The ones your brain was counting on. The ones where the cleaning happens most. The toxic proteins remain, and your brain carries them into the next day, and the day after that, and the week after that. Over time, cognitive clarity quietly fades, mere consolidation weakens. The ability to focus, to hold a thought, to find the right word, becomes just slightly harder every single morning, and most people never connect it back to what they did the night before. They assume it is age, they assume it is stress, they assume it is just how things are now. But a significant part of it started in the evening. In that window of time most people never think about, your brain is not designed to transition from full stimulation to deep sleep instantly. It needs time. It needs a signal, something biological that says, the day is over, it is safe to rest now. That signal is darkness. It is stillness. It is the absence of blue light. It is a body temperature that is finally allowed to drop. It is a nervous system that has been given permission to slow down. When you give your brain screens instead, you are stealing that signal. You are telling your biology that the day is still happening, and your biology believes you. The research is clear on this. The last 60 to 90 minutes before sleep are the most biologically significant window of your entire day. What you expose your brain to in that window, the light, the stimulation, the emotional intensity of what you are watching, directly determines the quality of the sleep that follows. And the quality of the sleep that follows determines the brain you wake up with tomorrow. This is not about perfection. It is not about never watching a screen again. It is about awareness, knowing that the choices you make in the hour before your eyes close are shaping something you cannot see, but your brain feels every single morning. If this made you think, subscribe. We are just getting started.